Hello, my name's Chloe. I'm a threat analyst here at Wordfence, and today I'd like to walk you through what the exploitation of this vulnerability that we found in the SiteKit by Google plugin would look like. So to begin, we're going to want to look at the page source of the WP admin dashboard. And then we're going to do a quick search for proxy. And here we can find the Google SiteKit base data, which includes the proxy setup URL. And we'll go ahead and copy that. And then we go ahead and open that up in a new tab. And here we're brought to the Welcome to SiteKit, Let's Get You Set Up page. And this is where we establish our connection with SiteKit. So we are going to continue the process by signing in with Google. We're going to grant permissions. We're going to allow. And then we're going to proceed with verifying site ownership. And now you can see that we've become a verified owner of POCwalkthrough.com. Now we just need to allow it to access our Google account data. Click allow. And then we go through and set up Search Console by adding site. And you can just go back to your dashboard, and in order to verify that you have been set up as a new Google Search Console owner, you go to Google Search Console. And you can see over here that we have POCwalkthrough.com in our Google Search Console. And just to double verify that we are a owner, we go to Settings, Users and Permissions, and you can see that POCwalkthrough@gmail.com is a owner of the POC walkthrough site. Now that we have this owner access, we can do all sorts of things that are going to affect the search ranking of the site that's been affected. So we definitely highly recommend updating to the latest version 1.8.0 as soon as possible. They released a patch in that version that helps stop the proxy setup URL from being displayed to unauthorized users and does a permission check on the request that does a verification of site ownership.